Crafted with precision and backed by German engineering expertise, the EPE encapsulant from Dr. 𝐊𝐞𝐲 is set to elevate the performance of solar cells to unprecedented heights. This product boasts impressive anti-PID performance and robust adhesion at 60 Newton centimeters, attributable to its EPE type composition. The innovative EPE technology merges the best attributes of both EVA and POE encapsulants. The central POE layer serves as an exceptional water vapour barrier and heightens the anti-PID performance, while the outer EVA layers ensure improved adhesion to both glass and photovoltaic cells. The encapsulant's light transmission of 90% is notable, ensuring optimal sunlight capture for efficient energy conversion. With a formidable tensile strength of over 10 megapascals, this encapsulant enhances structural integrity. Moreover, its thermal shrinkage rate of less than 3% reduces the risk of deformation due to temperature fluctuations. Exceptional protection against harmful UV rays further fortifies durability, thereby prolonging the solar cell's lifespan and maintaining consistent performance. Designed for lasting reliability, our encapsulant has a remarkable shelf life of 9 months, surpassing competitors by 3 months and setting new benchmarks in the industry. Headquartered in Turkey, Dr. 𝐊𝐶𝐲 is a solar encapsulant manufacturer with a team of professionals who have more than 2 decades of industrial expertise. We are dedicated to using only high-quality raw materials sourced from European suppliers and producing products that offer an extended shelf life, accelerated curing periods, and reduced stock costs due to faster lead times. Our current production base in Antalya enables swift delivery and direct access to European markets via the Antalya port. As we continue to expand, we plan to establish new manufacturing facilities in the USA and Germany, further strengthening our global presence.